I want every girl to feel great when they put on their makeup and they feel confident. Don't know what to do when it comes to makeup and you have oily skin? Well, I have a go-to makeup tutorial that I am sure you can do because it's beginner friendly, and let's get to it. I'm gonna start off with my primer, which is my milk primer. Okay guys, so I allowed the hydro milk primer to set on my skin for a second. Next it's going to be foundation. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Normal to Oily Foundation. And this is in the color 365 Nutmeg. And if you haven't been subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below so that you can be notified when the next new video drops, okay? After I place my foundation and I'm looking like, what have I done? I next take the e.l.f. makeup mist. If it's gonna come out today. There we go. Whew. Okay guys, so now that I've applied the foundation and I like the coverage that it gives, I use a sponge brush. I use a sponge to like pat through just to make sure I've gotten all the excess off. It just gives it a more flawless look. Next is concealer, and I am using this It's You. It's called It's You HD concealer. That is what it is. And we're gonna see how this goes. Liking this video, hit the like button to let me know. Also leave me a comment to let me know how you liked it. If this was helpful, I would greatly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and blend the concealer out. It is so, oh my, the fact that I don't have to like work it in is what I'm loving. This is so good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and when I say a little, I mean a little. When I tell you not to overdo it with the Sacha Buttercup, please don't overdo it. I have a previous video where I OD'd on Sacha Buttercup. I'll link it on this clip because it is hilarious. So be careful with the Sacha Buttercup. Everywhere I place the concealer is where I place the setting powder. And I'm not dragging it out, I'm just stopping right at the end of my brow. And pretty much I just blended that in. I will take my Real Technique buffing brush and the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder in 362, and we're gonna blend that out. Well, not blend, but we're gonna set the foundation. Take my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour and just give my face some dimension. And I'm taking the contour shade and I'm just going to not really a contour, it's more, it's just like putting some warmth in my face. Bronze, if you want to say. Oh, and I am taking this brush is the sculpting brush by Real Techniques. So I put on my lashes off camera because, you know, lashes have the mind of their own. Sometimes they want to come on and sometimes they want to take you through the struggle. But they're on. Just to let you guys know, if you, like I said earlier, you do not have to put lashes and all of that. I'm used to doing it, so that's why I put them on. But like I said, this is a beginner friendly, so you do not have to put the lashes on. If you are still looking at this video, let me know in the comments if you like lashes, and if you do like them, would you like a tutorial on them? Let me know. All right, just to recap, we did foundation, primer, well, primer, then foundation, then concealer, then setting powder under the eyes, then all over powder, and I put on some lashes, then put a little mascara on. That's it. Now, like I said, you can just leave it here. However, Erica do like to do a little more. I'm gonna put a little bit of a little highlight just because it's summertime and you want to have that little glow, that sun-kissed glow. So I'm just using the Golden Bake Soil Matte Finish Setting Spray by Milani. So let that sit. I am next going to do my lips. This Jordana Easy Lip Liner in brown. And the lip color that I am using is in Bare Secret by Milani. Your lip gloss needs to be popping. I said what I said. And this is also by Milani. The gloss just does something, honey. Look, this is the look. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. And if you are still struggling when it comes to makeup and you would like a one-on-one help in terms of products, what to use, how to match your skin as far as foundation, please go to my email. I will link it down below and shoot me an email and I can definitely help you out with that. All right guys, and be sure to check out my makeup series playlist. I will link it up there so you guys can check out all my other videos that is catered to beginners. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It was great doing this look for you guys, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.